Yes. Yeah, if you want me to see any charts or any doubt you have, you can ask. Yeah. So here in case of TCS, HCL, there is no confirmed buy, sell, but you can expect some little bit upside and then a reversal. So I'm expecting this, or I'm going to wait for this to happen. After that only we will decide whether to buy or not. But presently there is no confirmed sell. So we can wait. Once the structure shows us for the sell, we'll be going for the sell. Okay. Anything else? You can even type if you have any doubts.
Patil ji.
Ji.
Hello.
Yes.
How we know the difference between first wave and fifth wave? Because third wave is not a smaller than first or third. Means smallest in the three. Then
Yes.
how we know the similarity between first and fifth wave?
There is no similarity. They say like in the Elliott Wave book, they say like in the price wise or else in the like time wise they'll match. For example, if in this case of this, I'll be considering, let's say this is a 1 and 2 and this is a 3 and 4. If something happening like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, that will match towards the time or else the price. For example, if I take this as a time and price, means this is a price and this whole downside is a time. So if you add this to the fifth wave, so they can match with the price or a time. So here it's price wise, it is matching to the 587. So the similar time that of similar price that of the first and fifth wave. But always it is not like similar to that, but that will they'll match with the time and price, or at least they minimum say 61% of the time or 61% of the price. So it will depend what wave or in which internal waves are extended. For example, if the third only when it is a third wave extended or third wave is extended wave, then only the first and third will be matching, not in all case. For example, if something like in a gold, I will show you maybe uh, not in a gold, maybe X, what is that, USD and gold chart I will show you. Maybe so by default the chart will come. For example, let's say I'll just add to this. Wait for a second. That is again like a gold and USD, I hope. So by default that is the chart which is presently running. Sorry, who is that? Yes, this is a gold spot and US dollar. Okay, so here in case of this, this is looking like a first and second, and this is like a third and fourth, and something like a 5 has got over at this particular point, or else something yeah, this particular point, because this trend line has broken. So there I'm looking in the price wise also, if you try to match, and the time wise, for example, the price and time for the total first wave. So if you see anywhere it is not matching, right? So it depends like how the internal structure are. For example, if it is only third wave extended, then the fifth and first will be looking or in terms of similarity between the price and time, only if it is third extended. Okay, first extended, then most of the time the third and fifth won't be similar because the third cannot be shortest. So in case of first extended, it won't work. And
So
in
how we
case
know
of
extended? How we know extended?
extended, it will be like price wise. For example, if you see the whole structure, let's say this is 100%
Okay.
in this. Okay, the if you see the major part, it is 61.8%, right? Like mota mota, I will take this as a 40% and this move as a 60%, right?
Okay.
So this one part, who's that? Wait, you can unmute yourself and ask. Okay, only one person who is asking presently. Okay, so here there is a major part it has covered is 40% this and 60% is this. When we will know this might be the extended. So there is no rule like when we will come to know this is extended or this is extended. So only difference is, for example, if we are adding this is a 0 and this is a B, so this is a trend line, right? So this is a 0B trend line or 0 1 0 2 trend line. So after that, if it is breaking, after that it is, if it is breaking, so then we can think like, okay, if something third is going to end at this particular point or it is going in a sideways, right? So after that I'm adding this trend line. So okay, once it breaks, we will be ending to the fifth wave. So that is a hint. So here if it is something breaking and triangle it is happening and it is not going above this price line, so this is the price. If it is not going that, so we might be going some extension or first might be extended here. So there is a good chance like again we need to add this after the third has finished. Let's say this is the third wavelength, I am changing color to the yellow. So in this yellow, at least it should not cross like after A B C has got over. So I'll be taking this as like first wave or here. Let's take here or here, it doesn't matter. Third could not be like third waves less than the fifth wave, then we will be getting this as a first as extended. If it is more, then this third cannot be the shortest as per the rule. So this is the maximum length the fifth can travel, and only below that means this is if it is 100%, so only it can go to this level. So that will again make this whole structure as 1 2 3 4 5. But as per the extension rule, what you were saying like first and fifth, how they similar, they'll similar only if the third wave is extended. How we'll come to know, as per the extended rule, they say that whatever the wave is there, for example, if third has to extend it, that will match with the 61% of the previous or like whichever the smaller is that. So you can take first, if you just take similar to the 100%, let's take the whatever the wave is there, I'm just taking this to 100%, they'll match this 100%. So if you say this is a 40% and it is a 60%, okay, so in the 60%, you see the total first wave is covered in 60% and remaining two covered in remaining 40%. So that is a beauty. Means this is the extended wave. So if you compare this, for example, this total 2 or at least like 1, if you take, for example, in 40 it might be covering the 20% or 30% and remaining 20% it is covering. If it is a 20%, 161% of any wave, or for example 161% means 20%, 161% will be 100% will be 20%, and remaining 60% will be more than like maybe 12 or 10. Maybe let's take a 30%. 30% is more. Yeah, 30% will be 150%, right? Yeah. So 30% of this fifth wave, 30% of fifth wave means the price wise, if I'm saying this, or at least like you can add uh, a box like this. 30% means here it is 100%. I'm just adding it to, this is 200%, right? It is near more than 200%. So if it is 161% of any smaller wave, then that can be considered as extended wave. That will match. Are you getting what I'm trying to tell? You can unmute yourself and ask. There is no issue. Yes.
There is difference between A and C and C, A, B, C. So
Sorry.
in A, B, C also there is a 5 wave. Yeah, only 3 wave.
Yeah,
In
it
a
is
correction mode.
sorry, in ABC it again like it depends. Uh, 5 waves are sorry, or 3 waves. Why I'm saying that? Because see, there is in A, for example, after this 1 2 3 4 5, we are going to go for A. In the A, how we are making structure, that depends. For example, if it is a two-wave structure, then they say it will be going to go for the flat. That might be like ABC structure only, or two-way structure. Okay. But if it is doing like 1 2 3 4 5 again, so there is a chance like it might be doing the zigzag. Or if it is only two waves but not going in a slower way, it is going a little bit faster, then there is a chance like it might be doing the structure that of the triangle, if it is like A. So there is A, anything can happen. In A, we can form two-way structure, we can form three-way structure, we can form a triangle, or uh, we can form anything. For example, two-way or a three-way structure. Post of this, we can do the flat, we can do the zigzag, or we can do the triangle. But in C wave, it always, they say will end in a 1 2 3 4 5, or else it will be ending in ending diagonal or in the form of triangle. C again in a both ways. C waves, most of the time we will be seeing the third waves, not in the A. Got it?
Okay, okay. So we come to know that now there is an end of correction
Yes.
in a C wave. Yeah.
Yes. So we will
That's
come to know this. Like this is like third and four, or if something has started, for example, if something for this whole part is a correction, let's say. So again, this will be like difference to this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. That can be the fifth wave also. Earlier, this was my trend line. Now I'll shift to this. So this will be my new channels or trend line. So here, if it does like this, let's say, so this will be like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Again, I need to check with this. For example, this whole correction is the third now. So it could not, or it should not be crossing this high. So if it crosses, sir, what can be the possibility? There is again opens new possibilities. That is, for example, this is 1 and 2. This is, let's say, this is 3 and 4. If it crosses, then there is a chance like it something, it might be one of the third wave, and it is a two of the third wave, and it is going a third of the third wave, and fourth of the fourth third wave, and fifth of the third wave. After that third will come here, then we can expect this correction, then we can go. As per the alternations also, they'll match. For example, it is like a zigzag correction. Here it was a triangle, and after that it is a zigzag. So again, it will be like something similar to it. Again, like zigzag. So here we can expect, in case of this is a flat or else like a triangle. That should be like, again, it should match. Okay. Anything else?
Good morning, sir. Chakravarti.
Yeah, good morning, Chakravarti.
Just two things. One was Dixon and the other one is Bank Nifty. I joined about 5 minutes back. I don't know. You might
Okay,
cover.
okay. Okay. In Bank Nifty, it's a daily time frame or hourly you can?
I took positional actually.
Okay.
I shorted.
You shorted. Okay, fine. So it is a
bought a put actually.
Okay, okay, fine. So I would suggest, like, instead of buying the put, you can sell the call.
Right.
Okay, fine. So here, in case of Bank Nifty, there is no confirmation for the sell as of now. But if you see a little bit lower time frames, for example, from this particular point, there is a confirmation for sell. Okay. For example, if I add the time wise, I'll look into that. Yes, it has given a breakout in the smaller time frame. We can keep this as a stop loss as of now. We have discussed this, like if it is going a little bit up, let's say, then we might be getting this. But if it is like spending some more time here, it can go even to the 80% and to the 100%, and then again it will fall. At least to this. The three possibilities I'll add. So what are the possibilities? So presently just I'm adding this. Okay, let's do this.
Sorry.
Yeah, no issue. Okay. So here, if I see only this part, it is little sharper. So I can expect it to go a little bit up. Okay, first. Okay, as if you see this moment and this correction, there is a chance it will go first to this. After that, what will be like if it is 61% or near to 61%? Yeah, it is. So if it is has to make a zigzag, it will come reverse, and this is important. Like it has to break this trend line. So if it is breaking, then we'll be doing it as zigzag to the 20,563. For example, if it is not doing the zigzag, let's say if it is a sharper upside and going to the 80%, then also there is a chance like it going for the flat. The downside is still open, but at least only to the 100%. Then the target for the downside will reduce. For example, again it will be in the sharper way, and the fall is sharper. Then there is a third chance, like it might be doing the structure that of the triangle at the top. So that possibility is looking little bit lower compared to whatever scenario is going on. Means the two possibilities, that is of zigzag and the flat. So if it has to do the triangle, it has to little bit faster, then it is slower, then it is faster, then it can. Okay, but as of now, if you're looking, we'll wait for 61%, near 61% how it behaves, and at 80% how it behaves. If I go a little bit lower time frames, so it will give some hint. Okay.
So when you say lower time frame, should we take like a 1 hour or a 15 minutes?
Yes, you can. Whatever the time frame you trade, just go one time frame higher and add the channels, and one time frame lower, add the. You can like decide whether to stay in a buy or stay in a sell. So if I see only this structure, for example, let's say ABC. Okay, here something ended, a new structure has started, or if something ended at this particular point, this is like 1 2 3 4 5 me. So this will be the A, and this will be the B, and this will be the C.
Okay.
So for this, first it will go up, or at least to the 80% and 100%. If it is like 61%, if it reverses, then it will go down. So that will be making the structure of the zigzag in bigger.
So based on the three options that we have,
yes,
a gap down is the best to exit and re-enter at the top, maybe.
Yes, we can do that, or else like we can do, if it is going up, so we can add the like you can sell the puts here, sell the put and wait for this to happen. After this once happened, and if you are finding any reversal as per our rule of two trend line breakout and the two-stage confirmation, that is in lesser time, then if it is showing that, again we can sell this. So we can get this both opportunity of sell and buys, and we'll be getting the good premium. If I'm saying, if you are buying the options, buy in the impulse waves, not in the correction. So presently it is like it is the downside, it is in the correction, whatever the B is going. So in the B wave, it not preferably buy the options, because it will take more time when you see the impulse.
Correct.
So in this, our time decay will be more, and it is the time taking one. So there we won't be getting any good opportunity. So wait for this to happen, and after C, you can buy the call and put. There it will be giving a faster result or faster targets to you. There it is better or preferable to buy the options. In the correction, you can sell the options.
Oh. Thank you. The other thing is Dixon Technology.
Yes, Dixon. DIK it is, or DIX?
DIX.
Yeah, Dixon Technology. Oh, fine. It is going up, so I'll remove everything now. So now present trend line will be this. Yeah. So I'm not considering this as anything because it might be the part of this only. So I'm just considering from this particular point something has started. Okay, this might be like 1 and 2 or A and B. Let's take this as now. So here it is 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 might be over. Go to the early. Yes, something like 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 has got over. So there is a chance like it might be 3 and 4 what we are coming, as it is touching the top of A also here. There is a chance like it will reverse, or if it has to come up, then it will going for the upside. But as of now, it is looking in a corrective mode, and how it behaves that depends. And again, still in a buy mode, because this is sharper for me. After that, this correction is slower. So if it is reversing anywhere from this trend line or giving any confirmation, so we'll be getting for the buy at least to the 80% of this third wave. Like if it fifth also like failure, then at 80% we can expect, or 100%, or even to the this top. And maximum to maximum, if it is a third wave, then it may not be going very far. For example, from this, if it starts, it might not be going to the 66.77. Okay. So it will reverse anywhere here or here.
The reason I asked, sir, is in the hourly chart, there's a head and shoulder.
Okay, it is hourly. It is not a inverted head and shoulder here.
Right, it's a head and shoulder proper.
Okay, if it is 15 minutes, so head and shoulder of this total structure or what? Yeah, this one.
Yeah, right at that top
They
point.
were asking this, might be. Right? This or here?
There, right on top.
Here?
Yeah.
Head and shoulder. Okay, this you are asking.
Correct.
Okay, fine. So no, this is not a head and shoulder for me, because for head and shoulder, again, like this is matching, but after this neck breakout, for example, this is A, B, and C. Here, okay, it should have gone up.
Fine.
This is not. The most failed structure is head and shoulder, so don't look for that.
Okay. That's a good news.
Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Actually, now there is a end in Nifty movement upside as per
Nifty?
the
Okay. Time frame?
The daily is
Okay.
as per the 61% rule, it should be move up.
Yeah, okay. As per the 60%. Okay, fine. I'll be adding this. Yeah. So it is near 61%. It reversed from that level, I think. But it is not like, yeah, it is there. One candle is there for the reversal sign. But there is there is no confirmed yet, because if you see from longer duration, this is the trend line which has to break. Firstly. Okay, even it can go upside, right? So there is a chance. It might come upside. If you see this only, or from something this, if it is started, or something else like 1 and 2 here, 3 and 4 here, or 5, right? Then it reverse. First, it has to confirm. There is no, like in the daily time frame, if you are looking, it is not at sell here, because at least it should break this trend line. And in the longer time frame, at least this should be break to say we are in the sell, or we are going to go downside. Okay.
So correction can go up to 80% also.
Correction can go even 100%. For example, let's say if we are doing, again, we discuss the same thing. For example, if it is doing to the 80%, let's do that will be the flat. If it is not reversing from 80%, it can go to the 100%, even to the 123%. So there is no rule that it has to reverse from this only, but there will be a confirmation whenever it gives. But if you see this moment, it is a sharper. So I'm expecting it, if it comes a little bit down also, we can expect one up. There is a chance. If it is triangle, if it reverses here only, If it is not a triangle, if it is doing like a running flat or something, so it will go to the 80% of that 11,250 or something. Or if something has to show us like, okay, the structure has changed, at least in lesser time we need to break this. So we have, let's say, a time of July 7th. In next
8 bar.
one
Yeah,
or
8 bar.
two, in 8 bars, it has to break in lesser bars. Then we can say, okay, something has started new, and I'll be holding this upside is a recent high for me.
Okay, okay.
So that is that thing you need
That
to
is the
follow.
best. Now, time wise is the best.
Yeah, you always follow, because the time is like a trend, right? That will show the actual strength, whether the buyers have the strength or the sellers have the strength.
Okay.
Yeah. Anything else?
So,
Yeah.
Chakravarti again, on
Yes, yes.
Nifty, just a question.
Yes, yes.
So, would you, I know we go by the flow of the charts and we
Yes.
don't assume or presume.
Yes.
But suppose we take a what if analysis of the situation,
Hmm.
and if Dow has gone down by 1,000 points, I mean, the general tendency is there would be a gap down for us until something else happens during the weekend.
Right.
So whenever, because the charts are showing that there could be a bounce or a C wave on right now as per this chart,
Yes.
is it wise for us to exit the strategy on a gap down, wait, and then see which way the direction moves? Is that a prudent strategy, or you wait for the whole wave and observe the whole?
Yes, I'll be waiting like whichever the time frame I am trading. For example, if I am trading daily, at least my hourly structure should change to exit. For example, if in this case, if it is a hourly structure, at least like if I'm thinking like, okay, it will go short, so whatever the long is there or whatever the long positions, I need to exit, let's say. In this case, at least a hourly confirmation it should give, then only I'll exit. For example, we are thinking, okay, it will go down, see. So I will tell you what is the psychology here. So earlier we were at this particular stage, okay, when it is happened, a gap down or something, we said like this is something like island, what we say,
Right.
island gap or something. We all expecting it to go to the 7,500 and even lower. Okay, that is the way. And here if we follow the simple technique, or this was my trend line, or like if you add this like ending diagonal also, that's fine. So again, if I add this time to this high point, whether we broke this in lesser time, my question, no. Then when it has completed the half time and half time, it is price wise, it is not going even to the 61% and below that.
Right.
There is a good chance like it will reverse. So at least we were expecting that time at least to the 80% of this move, 80% of this total downside. So what happened after that? The raise was a little bit sharper. Again, if you take this whole moment, and if you take the time, it is again consolidated. Means the chart is not showing you, or our eyes are, if trained, it is not in the short now presently. Okay, let's see what the chart is showing, not what we want to see.
Right. That's what I said.
So, yeah. So here we want to see C wave, and let's do this. But let's this chart to decide, and that to show us when to go.
Right.
Yeah.
Right, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Yes.
So Patil, if
Yes.
it back before 7 July, suppose the
Yes. Yes.
bottom of this 9,700 something, na?
Yes.
In a 7 bar, some
Yeah. For example, let's say
last one.
Yeah, last. For example, if this.
Uh,
Okay. If something
there is-
breaks, then there is a good chance like we are expecting this to go for total downside. Why I'm saying, because that structure might behave like a zigzag. Okay, the zigzag will be, for example, if from the 61% minimum is 100%, that is 7,486. Let's say if it breaks, so it will go to the 100% first, that is 7,400. And if it again want to go, it can go even to the 68 or like 138%. That can be possible.
but in a after the break 9,700, there is also a pullback, na?
Yeah, there is also pullback, and there we can consider the time is like, for example, the 100% of time it took, let's say this.
Yeah. Right.
As these are the two similar different times, so the fall for the this next wave will be like the half time I'm considering, let's say. So this will be the time for C wave.
3 months.
Yeah, 3 months, not 3 wave. For example, let's say simple strategy. For example, this is the A time. Whatever this is going, this is a B time. If they are two different times or equal time means you need to add A plus B, C. So then this will be the time for C to finish. Or if it is different, here this is little bit different, so it will decide. If it is more, then we will be doing it in the half time, means half it will come like this. So this will be the time. For example, this in this time it has to give us some confirmation for the downside, right? So again there you are adding the time here. So for example, let's say if it is going in a sideways, if it does also after this it is going in a sideways, let's say if
Then
it
there
is
is one
pending,
more. Yeah.
then there is a chance like we might be doing this.
Okay.
So that we need to consider.
The
Like then-
best is a time thing.
Yeah, best is a time thing and the pattern which presently going on. So the time thing is means the strength of the buyers. For example, the buyers are buying here, sellers are selling, and they're not giving chance to the sellers to take the price to go down.
Okay.
That is the thing. Again, like the same buyers will be turned sellers, then they'll be faster. Then there is no chance for the buyers. Then sellers will be in the top end.
Okay.
The strength of the buyers and sellers, or strength of the buy and sell, that you need to decide.
Okay.
Now,
And suppose sometime the time is spending 200%, as you say,
yeah.
right?
So
Then what is the possibility?
if it is spending 200% means from this to this, or to the fall.
Nay, sideways, there is a more
Okay.
more time is spending.
Yeah, 200% also there is no issue. For example, this is 100%. Okay, 100% has got over. Now let's say this is a 200%.
Okay.
This red line is 200%, and this is 300%. So the total possibility for flat it to go is 300%.
Okay.
Okay, then we can accept this. But if it is going more than 300%, let's take, then something structure we need to think differently, right? If it is like 100% and 200% zigzag, if it is going more than 200%, there is a chance like it to do the flat.
Oh.
And one fall is definite, because the more time it is taking here, it come. But the more price it covers, the fall will be shorter. For example, if it falls from here, it will be going to the down. If 80%, at least to the 100%. If it is 100%, at least to the 80%. If it is 123%, at least to the 61%. Like that it will fall. Okay.
Thank
you. Right. Yeah. Anything else?
Sir, I have a question on time zones.
Yeah.
Now, one is a trend. We are able to clearly identify what are the possible trends.
Yes.
Is there any way that we can also get a feeling for over how much period, how long it will take, or is it weeks or days, or anything that we can relate to the number of days?
Yeah, we can. So here we can relate like there is a rules to how the next trend or next time will be deciding. For example, in this case, the present, like I'm not looking to this. Presently, I'm looking only to this point, this time and this time. Okay. So I'll be getting like what is the maximum time and what is the minimum time that we can take. For example, this is the time which I'm thinking something has ended here or something ended here. So this will be the total move for me. This completes and this whole moment. Now this is like maximum is a 200%. So maximum is 100% of this. So it will be the C wave. Okay. The half time will be this and the full time will be this. So if it is going more than, let's say if it is going in sideways and completing this, then there is again chance like we might not be going so much upside, or this whatever A and B and C we are thinking that has got over. So there also we can expect some correction after finishing this. time wise. A minimum is like 100%, maximum you can put it as a 200 and 300%. We can only predict the time, but we not fix the time. The possibility, for example, this is 100%, 200% and 300% of the time. That's it. If it is going more than 300, we need to think again and we need to relook the structure if we are missing something. Hello.
Yeah, thank
Yes.
you. Thank you,
And
sir.
from the downside, one more you can add. For example, this is the thing or started upside. So this is the 100% of the time. So you can add this to again like 2 and 300% of the time. It can happen anything. For example, this here. So this is the time maximum we can expect it if it is not breaking this 0 2 or whatever the trend line is. If it is not breaking, it is going in a sideways to the upside. It is fine. So there also we can time once again, like as we discussed earlier, if it is faster, let's say only 200% of the time, this is 100 and this is 200, then there is a chance of flat is less. Then there is a chance of triangle is more. The triangle possibility will open more here. This might be the bigger, anything like bigger structures first wave can happen, right? If it is going more than a flat, that kind of time you need to add. Okay.
But Patil, if the time is going more 100 to 200 to 300,
Yeah.
then downward double bottom chances is also there.
Yes,
There's
yes. Simple
Okay.
logic. This is the time more taking. If it is taking 100 and 200%, 100 it takes, then the possibility of it to go one low is valid. If it is going 200%, then still there is a good chance. If it is going 300%, there is more good chance. The more it's spending time here and not going to the high, there is a more chance like it will come down. Okay. As it took 100%, there is one downside we'll definitely getting. So we need to wait where it is. Okay. And how the structure is. And presently it is in the B wave. So in the wave, we suggest only buy a 35C or like trade the 35C for the third wave and the fifth wave and the C wave. Okay. Look for that. When that will give, means in the internal also, for example, this is 1 and 2, you can trade for this third, thinking the third. Or if it is like A and B, we can trade for this C.
Quick money.
Yes.
Okay. There's one correction is there. That is sure.
Yeah. Yes, definitely. No doubt in that. Because it is a correction against this impulse for me. So another impulse like correction will come. That correction will be faster. That will match. Okay. So if you see the whole like a structure or histories, that will match. Simple. Like if it is a weekly, but these are the corrections now. But this correction is faster than this. Then there is a good chance like we are going to get one downside similar to this we are getting. Anywhere. We are getting a one downside, definitely. Okay, fine. Thank you. Any doubts or shall we end the session? We have only 1 minute left. If anything is there.
So,
Yes.
the Bajaj Finance.
Yeah, we looked it. You might be missed that. Okay. Bajaj Finance, there is a still chance like it will go to the one up. So there is no sell it. So until unless it breaks the trend line, for example, this, I'm thinking it to go at least to 50% and 61%. This. So if I see the internal waves also, for example, here 1, 2, and this is 3 and 4, and we are getting 1, 5. So that is 3, 3, 5, 7. I'm looking in case of Bajaj Finance. There is no sell at.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Bye.